Investment Strategy for 2025, Financial Planning 2025, How to Plan Your Investments in 2025. Upbeat background music begins. Presenter appears on screen with a confident smile. Are you ready to make 2025 the year you take complete control of your financial future? Whether you're just starting your investment journey or looking to optimize your portfolio, this video is your ultimate guide. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover strategies to grow your wealth, minimize risks, and make smarter financial decisions. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll feel more confident about planning your investments like a pro. So, stick around and let's dive right in. 1. Understanding the investment landscape in 2025. Before jumping into strategies, it's crucial to understand the current market trends. In 2025, economic recovery, emerging technologies, and green energy investments are expected to dominate. Mention keyword, investment opportunities in 2025. Keep an eye on sectors like AI, clean energy, and healthcare innovation as they promise significant growth potential. 2. Set clear financial goals. Successful investing starts with clear goals. Are you saving for retirement, buying a house, or building wealth for your family? Write down your financial objectives and attach timelines to each. Remember, having well-defined goals helps you choose the right investment vehicles. 3. Diversify your portfolio. In 2025, diversification remains key to minimizing risk. Spread your investments across different asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Mention keyword, diversified investment strategy. By diversifying, you reduce the impact of a single market down on your overall portfolio. 4. Stay updated with market trends. Regularly monitor the market and adjust your strategies based on economic conditions. Use tools like financial news apps and subscribe to credible financial blogs. This way, you'll stay informed and make timely decisions. 5. Budget for investments. Investing doesn't mean compromising your lifestyle. Plan your monthly budget and allocate a portion to savings and investments. Follow the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. 6. Embrace long-term thinking. Patience is your greatest ally in investing. Markets will have ups and downs, but staying focused on long-term growth ensures better returns. Mention keyword, long-term investment planning. Review your portfolio annually and make adjustments, but avoid frequent trading based on short-term fluctuations. 7. Leverage tax benefits. 5 minutes. Take advantage of tax-saving instruments like retirement accounts or tax-efficient funds. They help you save more and invest smarter. 8. Consult a financial advisor. If you're unsure about your strategy, don't hesitate to consult a professional financial advisor. They can tailor a plan that aligns with your goals. Now that you know the key strategies for investment success in 2025, it's time to take action. Start today by setting your goals and reviewing your financial plan. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with someone who'd benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel at WealthWise Guide for more tips on growing your wealth. Together, let's make 2025 your best financial year yet.